What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove any emblem you have on any one of your cars. It's a fairly simple process. All you're going to really need for this is any kind of hair dryer or heat gun if you do have access to one. This will help help heat up the glue that's on the back of the emblem. And on top of that, just any kind of floss. That way you can go to the back of the emblem and remove the remaining glue. This probably takes about 10 minutes, maybe less if you know what you're doing. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so first thing you want to do is heat up the emblem with the heat gun or hair dryer that you have. This helps remove the glue or help soften the glue that's behind the emblem. Therefore, you can then put the dental floss right behind and it makes it easier to pull it out. Alright, so once you start doing it for a while, you try to get the floss behind the actual emblem itself or any kind of logo that you have on your car. And then what you want to do is start going back and forth with the floss as much as you can as you're heating up with the heat gun or hair dryer that you have. You're going to keep going through while pulling towards the direction you want to take it off, and it should come right off. So as I was heating it up, I started flossing through, and as I pulled up, it started to goo out. So I just started heating it up some more, pulling it as I heated it, and then boom, came right off. Now in order to get this goo off, you could use goo-gone that you can purchase at any Walmart or AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. You spray that onto here and then it should come right off. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. What kind of glue you have that's attached to your emblem. Per se, this one I'm just able to pull it right off, but sometimes you get some residue left over. Hopefully I'm hoping I could just pull this one off, but sometimes you would just use goo-gone in order to take this off. So you can just spray that onto here, let it sit for I think it was about 2 minutes, then wipe it right off. It should just come right back off. So once you're done, you can just wipe down the area with some car wash soap and then just wipe down the area, then boom, it's nice and clean. If you guys have any questions, you can let me know. Again, you can either use goo-gone or just peel it right off if it's that type of glue. Just leave a comment, subscribe, like the video if you liked it. See you in the next one.